cornea. Cornea we have only 5 layers. So first one is the outer layer. So here we'll get a stratified squamous keratinized epithelium. So first you have to make one columnar cells. Over the columnar cells 2 or 3 layer of polyhedral cells. And over that 2 or 3 layer of squamous cells will come. Squamous cells is the flat cells, you can make it over that. Then nucleus, that all that columnar cells nucleus near the base you can make it. And other all cells, polyhedral cells and all centrally placed nucleus. Even squamous cells also nucleus are centrally placed, so you can make it that. And this Bowman's membrane make it, you can make it a little more darker. And till here we have the stroma. Stroma consists of so many collagen fibers are there here. So these collagen fibers, along with that some cells are there. These cells are known as the keratocytes, will be there in between, so can make it collagen fibers more. And that keratocytes, they have the nucleus that can make it that. Then here Descemet's membrane and cuboidal cells are there on the Descemet's membrane, short cuboidal cells. You can make it a centrally placed nucleus. Now just label. This is the first layer. It's made up of stratified squamous non-keratinized epithelium. And this is the stroma. Then keratocytes, I told you already. And these fibers present here is the collagen fibers. And this is the Descemet's membrane. Here Bowman's membrane. I should write now. Bowman's membrane. Here Descemet's membrane. That's the basement membrane of the cuboidal cells, that one, not separate layer. And this one is the simple endothelium. So this endothelium is lined by simple cuboidal cells. That's all. You can make it the stroma little more dark in color. Collagen fibers, no, so you can make it little more dark. Thank you.